Hello, welcome back. So I want to thank all of you that have bought this product of mine, which is I'm very grateful for. So thank you all so much. So this video I want to show you all like how to install this, which is very simple. It's just plug and play system. So yeah, let's go. Let's start. Alright, so what comes in the box is actually you get a set of screws. There will be 6, 2 long, 2 short and 2 medium, and 4 washers, small washers. The nuts will be installed in already in a bracket itself, and one of this kind of paper, which is like you know, like when you take like sticker, the under layer. Yeah, so it's a non-stick surface. I'll show you how to use this later. Alright, firstly we need to remove 2 screws from here under the TFT display. So it comes together with the washer like this. This is the OEM parts. You can keep this, but we are going to reuse the washer later, so please don't lose this. So right now this piece of non-stick paper comes into play. So this will be your bracket, so it should be like this. See? Okay, so this is where you attach your windshield. So right now what we need to do is at the back. Okay, so let's hold it this way lah. Flip it back. As you can see, 3M VHB. Peel it off, and then we fold a bit. Just a bit, it's okay, it doesn't have to be precise. We fold a bit to the back, so this outside layer is actually the non-stick part, and then we need to flip this around. Use this small area that we have it's a little bit too bright, let me adjust. Alright, so this part that we have folded is going to be like this. We are going to stick it on the VHB tape. So this is how it should look after when we mount it. So we can pull the tab over here, and then the tape will be sticking onto this plastic. Alright, so this is how it should look. This is, remember, this is the non-stick surface. It should be stick to the VHB tape. Alright, so after installing this already, we'll be using the 2 longest screw that comes together with the windshield bracket and screw it in here together with the washer. Alright, all done for this part. Make sure it is tight but not too tight, so we don't want to break anything, any threads or what, right? And not too loose, as we know that this bike is it has a reputation of vibration. So yeah, we don't want everything to be falling out. And yes, okay, so once after we screw this in securely, we can pull this tab out. And now the VHB tape is actually sticking both of these together, the bracket and the plastic part here, to prevent any vibration sound. So it's like 2 plastic, you know, knocking off each other, vibrating to each other, so you have some sort of sound to it. So yeah, that's the purpose of it, is to eliminate sound. Alright, so what we are left with here is 4 screws and 4 washers. So the medium length screw is for these 2, the top one, and the shorter one will be for the bottom one, together with the washers. Very straightforward and very simple install. So I'm going to be placing all the washers first. Alright, once everything is tight, we are good to go. So that is it. It is a very simple plug and play system. No, it's just for aesthetic, not for wind blocking purposes. But yeah, maybe in the future I'll make another bigger, slightly bigger one that will be more comfortable riding in a highway, maybe like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel, for having interest in this product that I made. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Ciao. Oh yeah, and if you're interested in this product, drop me an email, DM me on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. This is my name. And let me know what you think. If you like it, don't like it, or what kind of ideas do you have and you would like me to, maybe try it on and 3D custom, 3D print something else. Yeah, just let me know, right? Goodbye, see you next time.